In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a graphic t-shirt using Canva, and we'll go through this process step by step from start to finish. It's an easy and quick way to bring your creative designs to life, so let's dive right in. First up, we need to start by visiting Canva's website. Once you're on the homepage, find the search bar at the top where you'll type in t-shirt mockup. This will bring up a wide variety of templates specifically designed for t-shirts. Templates are a superb starting point for anyone, whether you're a seasoned designer or just someone looking to dabble in something new. So take a moment to browse through these templates. You'll find a huge range of styles from artistic to edgy, minimalistic to bold. Choose a template that resonates with your vision for your t-shirt design. Once you've found a template you like, click on it and you'll see an option to customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the fun begins. Canva's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to modify the template to suit your needs. Even if you've never done graphic design before, you'll find the tools intuitive and accessible. Now here's where your creativity comes to the fore. Feel free to make the template your own. Perhaps you want to change the color scheme to better fit your style. You might want to add some text, maybe a quote that inspires you, or a phrase that you associate closely with your brand or personality. Canva allows you to change fonts, adjust sizes, and position elements precisely where you want them. If you wish to include some graphics or illustrations, Canva has a vast library of elements you can incorporate into your design. Spend some time experimenting with these features to create something uniquely yours. Remember to frequently preview your work as you go along. This will give you a sense of what the finished product might look like on an actual t-shirt. It's an essential step to ensure that the colors and design align with what you envisioned. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to bring it to life. Download your completed design in the desired format and head to a printing service that supports custom t-shirt designs. Most online services can easily translate your digital design into a physical t-shirt. They usually offer various options for t-shirt materials and colors, allowing you to further tailor the final product to your liking. And there you have it. Creating your own graphic t-shirt using Canva is a simple, straightforward process that unleashes your creativity. In just a few minutes you can have a custom design ready to be worn. Enjoy the satisfaction of wearing something you've designed yourself, or perhaps consider it as a thoughtful, personalized gift. Thank you for joining me and happy designing.